So this wig out Wednesdays. Okay, girls, we about to wig out.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but she wear a little bit of makeup just to keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
Hey y'all, hey. So, this is happy holidays. How about that? We about to end 2020. So I was like, yay, I did 20 videos. I'm so proud of me. That's such a big accomplishment. But then I was like, girl, we don't want to end on 2020. We're trying to leave that behind. So we lit. Say what? We lit. So this wig out Wednesdays. Okay, girls, we about to wig out. I bought some wigs. I'm going to challenge myself to get. I've already done one video prior to this one. Notice if you probably be able to tell the difference with the editing. But I want to just like try on the wigs that I previously bought. I feel some type of way about buying wigs because it's just not my hair. I like doing my hair. Let me know if anybody else feel like that. Anywho, let me focus. Because you know I'm going to talk. I was going to go live, but people don't be wanting to talk to me. So, I'm going to talk to you. I'm waiting.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip.
Merry Christmas.
Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but she wear a little bit of makeup.
Oh, that's so cute. I like it. I think this cute. Alright, that's A. I ain't got no earrings on. I'm gonna put some earrings on. I'm gonna take a cute picture, hopefully. I need to tighten it up. My head little in the back and big at the top. What kind of wig got it? This Larry's favorite one too. I don't like it because it look like a wig. I like the short one because it stops here. But I got me a lace one. I'm supposed to be trying to learn. This one messed with mine. I'm gonna learn how to wear wigs, y'all. I'm not a pro yet, but I'm gonna learn. I love hair too much not to learn.
You can wear them together like this one.
Alright, so wig number 2. Since I gotta wear the hat, I think I'm gonna wear the first wig. Both of these wigs, the short one don't have shedding, but this one, it's not a lot of shedding, but it's like, you know, it's just the cut for me. You know what I'm saying? It's the cut for me, sis. But she cute or whatever. I need some earrings on. Larry, what you think? You like this one? You like this one or the other one? Did you see the other one? Which one you like? This one? I can see me getting hot with this one. But yeah, ain't it cute? I'm sorry, I poked my lips out like that. Can't help it.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this.
Alright, people. I think I took up enough of y'all times. Because, you know, I'm a talker. I will talk and talk and talk.
Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Tell her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
About to make this joint tighter. And this, I'm going to go with option A, y'all.
Everybody got sauce,
Alright, y'all. I'm going to go with her. Because she cute or whatever.
do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up. She ain't got her face that you wear a little bit of makeup, and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
Alright. I'm going to go with wig A. Happy holidays, everybody. Hope y'all like my wig tutorial. No, it wasn't a tutorial, but my wig review. I'm sorry, I'm 2 shots in. Period. Christmas turn up. She cute or not. Comment which wig you prefer. Like, was you digging his look? Tell me what you think. I'm waiting on y'all to come kick it with your girl. I'm a whole vibe. Come by with me.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup, and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
Period.
Who? I told y'all I was gonna be talking with my hands. Bop, 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 bop.
Everybody got sauce,